Survival isn't just about what you know, it's about what you carry. Whether you're out in the wilderness or find yourself in an unexpected emergency, having the right tools on you can make all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the essentials of a solid everyday carry, or EDC, for bushcraft and survival. These tools can help you stay safe, resourceful, and ready to handle any situation, no matter where you are. Let's start with the most critical item, your cutting tool. A good knife is indispensable. Whether you're crafting tools, preparing food, or building shelter, a quality knife can do it all. A fixed blade knife is a great choice for bushcraft because it offers strength and durability. But if you need something more compact, a high-quality folding knife can also work well. Always make sure it's sharp and maintained because a dull knife is far more dangerous than a sharp one. Fire is survival. It provides warmth, cooks your food, and can even signal for help. When it comes to your EDC, redundancy is key. Always have multiple ways to start a fire. I recommend carrying a lighter for convenience, waterproof matches for reliability, and a ferro rod for long-term use. With a little practice, you can use a ferro rod to create a spark in any weather condition. A fire-starting tool is non-negotiable. Don't leave home without it. Next up is cordage, and paracord is a favorite for good reason. It's lightweight, compact, and incredibly strong. You can use it to secure a tarp for shelter, as fishing line, or even to make snares or traps for hunting. In a medical emergency, paracord can even be used as a tourniquet or to tie a splint. It's one of those versatile tools that you'll find yourself using in ways you never imagined. No EDC is complete without a proper first aid kit. Accidents happen, especially when you're in the great outdoors. Your first aid kit doesn't need to be bulky, but it should cover the basics. Include bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and any personal medications. A small, lightweight kit that you can carry on your belt or in a bag can make all the difference in a survival situation, where even a minor injury can turn into a serious problem if left untreated. Finally, navigation tools. If you get lost, especially in unfamiliar terrain, knowing how to find your way back is crucial. While smartphones and GPS devices are useful, they're not always reliable in the wilderness. A good old-fashioned compass and a map are essentials that don't rely on battery life or signal strength. Practice using them before you need them. Knowing how to read a map and use a compass is a survival skill in itself. To wrap up, your everyday carry should include 5 key items: a cutting tool, fire-starting tools, paracord, a first aid kit, and navigation tools. These essentials are lightweight, practical, and could save your life in an emergency. So, take a moment right now to review what's in your EDC. Do you have all the essentials we've covered today? If not, now's the time to upgrade. Being prepared isn't just for survivalists. It's for anyone who spends time outdoors or wants to be ready for the unexpected. Stay safe, stay prepared, and always carry the tools that can keep you alive when it matters most.